the tangent of alpha minus 20 degrees is equal to -3. Right. Now there is nothing in front of tan, so there is no rearranging. Remember, you can't distribute tan. You can't call this thing tan alpha minus tan 20. That is not correct. But right now we can see that the tangent of this angle is -3. So you could start, if you want, you could start with your quadrants. Identify the quadrants where your answers are. So where is, and we are looking for alpha minus 20 degrees. Where can we find the angle alpha minus 20 degrees? Which quadrant? All right, so it's quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. So this is where tangent is negative. Now, next thing, work out the reference angle. So the reference angle is equal to shift tan of what? Shift tan of 3, right? We ignore that negative sign because we are looking for the reference angle. And this reference angle will be in the first quadrant. So ignore the negative sign. So what is shift tan of 3? We can make it one decimal place. Is it 71,6? So 71,6 degrees. So yeah, we know that our reference angle is 71,6. But we know that our angles should come from the second quadrant, which makes this one here 71,6. We also know that it should come from the fourth quadrant, and that should make this one here 71,6. So then our answers are coming from quad 2 and from quad 4. So let's start with quad 2. So for quad 2, starting from 0 degrees, this is the angle we are looking for. But please take note, that angle there will be the value of alpha minus 20. Okay, so that is alpha minus 20. How many degrees is that? Sorry? It will be 0.4, I think. We're measuring from 0 degrees up to there. If this one is 71,6, then that should be 180 subtract 71,6, right? I get 108,4. Anyone else? 108,4. Just subtract 71,6 from 180, because this is 71,6. So we need to get that one there. So that is what I'm getting. Now, is that the only angle though? No. If I add another revolution, I'll end up in the same place, right? So I can add as many 360s as I want here. Okay. Then I can work out alpha by moving the -20 to the other side. So we need to add a 20 to the 108 that is there, and that should give us 128,4 degrees. All that plus k 360, where k is an integer. So that will be fine for the general solution. That is the general solution for alpha. And then for quadrant 4, once again, starting from 0, you're going all the way up to quadrant 4. You will understand why you need to subtract 71,6 from 360 degrees. But that gives you alpha minus 20. So alpha minus 20 in quadrant 4 should be 360 subtract 71,6. Please check, I'm getting 288. 288,4, all right? But again, this is not the only angle. We can continue adding as many revolutions as we want. So let's say plus K 360. And K is an integer. I know that writing K as an integer could be a task, a big task for some of you. But there is no way you can fail to write it at least once somewhere in your solution. I need to find K element of Z at least somewhere in your solution. Maybe not in every line, but somewhere. Like maybe first line, and then we'll understand. Now you can simplify this now by moving the minus 20 to the other side. That is giving us 308,4 degrees plus K 360, where K is an integer. And so that is our general solution for this one.